we have to find the general solution of this equation, right? For this, first of all, we write the given trigonometric equation. It is sine theta equals to sine alpha, right? Now we take both terms in one side, left side, then we get here sine theta minus sine alpha. Okay, and this is equals to 0. Now we use the formula sin C minus sin D. We know that sin C minus sin D equals to sin C minus sin D equals to what? 2 cos 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. Okay, by using this formula we can find its general solution easily. So we use this. Therefore, we get here 2 cos theta plus alpha by 2, theta plus alpha by 2 into sin theta minus alpha by 2 equals to 0. Now dividing on both sides by 2, we get here only cos theta plus alpha by 2 into sin theta minus alpha by 2 equals to 0. We have two factors here in left hand side, and this is equals to 0. So first factor equals to 0 or second factor equals to 0. So we write here cos what? Theta plus alpha by 2 equals to 0, and another is sin theta minus alpha by 2 equals to 0. Okay, now we know that the general solution of cos theta equals to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Oh, right. Therefore, we use here this concept. Look at here. We know that if cos theta equals to 0, then theta is equals to odd multiple of pi by 2, means 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, where n belongs to z, right? And also we know that if sin theta equals to 0, then its general solution is theta equals to n pi, where n belongs to z. Okay, so we use these concepts here, and we can find its solution. So since cos theta plus alpha by 2 equals to 0, so we write here theta plus alpha by 2 equals to what? 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, right, where n belongs to z, by using this first rule. Okay, and now in this equation sin theta minus alpha by 2 equals to 0, we can write here theta minus alpha by 2 equals to n pi, where n belongs to z. Okay, now by multiplying on both sides by 2, we get here theta plus alpha equal to 2n plus 1 into pi. Therefore theta is equals to 2n plus 1 into pi, right, where n belongs to z, and alpha will be subtract from both sides, then we get here minus alpha in right hand side. Now in this equation we can write here, after multiplying on both sides, we get here theta minus alpha equal to 2n pi, and theta is equals to 2n pi plus alpha, where n belongs to z. Now here it is clear that if we take here odd number, then alpha is negative, right? And if we take here even number, 2n represents even number and 2n plus 1 represents odd number, right? If we take even number, then alpha is positive, and when 2n plus 1 is given, means odd multiple of pi is here, then alpha is negative. Okay, therefore we can merge these two results in one equation. How we can write it? We can write here, hence theta is equals to n pi n pi plus minus 1 to the power n into alpha. Okay, where n belongs to z. How is it possible? Because if we put here at the place of n, if we put even number, then here alpha will be what? Positive. And when we put n is odd, then alpha will be negative. Right? Thus, this is the required general solution of given trigonometric equation sin theta equals to sin alpha. I hope you all have understood it. Thank you. Thank you very much for watching.